Have you ever wondered what makes a firefighter's job possible apart from their courage and quick thinking? Well, one of the unsung heroes in their arsenal of tools is the humble nozzle. A simple piece of equipment, yet its role in firefighting, especially in the oil and gas industry, cannot be overstated. In the world of firefighting, not all nozzles are created equal. Let us delve into some of the different types of nozzles used in extinguishing fires and the unique roles they play. First off, we have fog nozzles. Their job is to create a fine mist that cools the fire and displaces oxygen, effectively suppressing the flames. These are particularly effective in situations involving flammable liquids, as the mist they produce minimizes splashing and reduces the chance of spreading the burning liquid. Next up are foam nozzles. These are no ordinary nozzles. They are specifically designed to apply firefighting foam, mixing air into the foam solution to create an expanded and long-lasting blanket. This blanket smothers the fire and prevents oxygen from reaching the fuel. Keep in mind that different types of foam require specific nozzle designs for optimal application. Then, we have water wall nozzles. These produce a flat, fan-shaped spray that creates a water curtain. This curtain is used to shield firefighters and equipment from radiant heat, flames, and toxic fumes, allowing firefighting efforts to proceed behind this protective water shield. Last but not least, we have multi-purpose nozzles. These are the Swiss Army knives of firefighting nozzles, offering various spray patterns, including solid stream, fog, and sometimes even a water wall option. This versatility allows firefighters to adapt their approach based on the fire situation at hand. However, it's crucial to remember that firefighting in oil and gas facilities often involves specially trained crews and equipment. The selection of the most appropriate nozzle type is not a game of eeny, meeny, miny, moe. It depends on the specific fire scenario and the type of flammable liquid involved. In conclusion, the right nozzle can mean the difference between containing a fire or it spiraling out of control. So the next time you see a firefighter in action, remember that it's not just about the water, the foam, or the courage. It's also about the nozzle,